Back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping for each body type for spring and summer, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Apple body type, and the first flattering piece is going to be a peplum top. This one's from Sofia Vergara. It has that wrap style front, another really good look for the Apple body type. Has this dolman sleeve with the little ruffle, so you do have some coverage, but it is sheer, and then it's flowy through the body, has that smocking, and then that same fit through the back. So it comes in this purple. It also comes in the solid black, and they are $22. Another top that's going to work for the Apple body type is this one from Free Assembly. So it has that squared neckline, which is really flattering. You want to stay away from that high neck. It has that nice kind of relaxed sleeve. The material is a thicker poplin, and then it's relaxed through the body. You could see it flows out, and then it has that same fit through the back. So this one comes in the black and white, also this blue and green, and they're going to be at $22. So like these style tops for an Apple body type, because it has that plunging V, the flutter sleeve, it's relaxed through the body so you have comfort. It's also a little bit longer on the side, so that swing style is going to really flatter your shape, and then it has that same fit through the back. So this one comes in this black and white. It also comes in white and blue, and then I shared it in a stripe option. Here it is, this pink. This is made of mostly linen, and then it also comes in a blue, and they're only $13.98. And then another swing style. This is a tank top from Time and True. It has that scoop for coverage, the V neckline. It's sleeveless, nice, soft, and stretchy. And then it has that seam detailing in the back. Comes in the teal, pink. There's purple, red, gray, black, beige, navy, white, and olive. And they're $7.98. For shorts, you want a higher rise. You also want more of a flowier kind of fit. This one's from Sofia Vergara. It has that high waist. It also has the paper bag with elastic, so you have a lot of comfort. Has these side pockets, nice relaxed fit. This is that linen look, and the same kind of fit through the back. So it comes in the ivory, also in that same print we saw in the top, and the shorts are going to be $20. So like these linen shorts from Time and True, so they're also a high rise. They have that pleated detailing, the side pocket, they're relaxed through the leg, they have the pockets on the back. Comes in the black, also in this linen, and they also have a fuchsia online, and they're going to be $16.98. Usually Apple body type has thinner legs, so if you do, I think these Bermuda shorts are going to work perfectly. You also have that comfort in the waistband. So they have the side pocket, they're nice and stretchy, they're straight through, they have the little slit, and then trouser style pockets in the back. In the navy black, there's pink, camel. They have a few other colors online. They're $14.98. And Signature by Levi's also has this high-rise short. So this one is almost completely solid. Has just a little bit of fading. That raw hem. They're 5-inch inseam with pockets in the back. These are going to be $19.99. They do have some other washes online. So that's the other one. So this one does have the whiskering with a little bit of distressing, but nice and stretchy. This is a thinner denim, so it's going to be really comfortable. It's that in-between, not a jegging, but also not like that thicker, uncomfortable, stiff denim. Dresses, I like this ruche kind of wrap. I think it's super stretchy. It's going to be flattering on. It has the thicker strap, that squared neckline, the ruching on the side. It's a midi length, and then it has that same kind of fit through the back. Comes in this giraffe. They also have the red and solid black, and they're going to be $20. Another good style is going to be this one from Time and True. So it has that V neckline, the flutter sleeve. There's Henley buttons. It has that elastic through the waist, so you can pull it in a little bit, but there is elastic, so it's going to be nice and stretchy. It has the side pocket, that drop tier, flowy through the front and the back, and this one is, it's an online only, but it is nice and lightweight. If you like a shorter style, this one's also going to work. From Time and True, it has the little ruching, the plunging V neckline, which is going to be flattering. It also has that seam detailing at the waist, and it flows out. So the same kind of fit through the back. Comes in the white. They also have it in that coral, and they're $24.99. Another good style is a shirt dress. So this one's from Free Assembly. It has a smaller collar, full button down button on the wrist. Also comes with the belt. Has that same detailing in the back. This one also comes in the red and the white. The only thing you might want to do is size up if the buttons are a little too tight in the waist area. But other than that, I think it's going to be really flattering on. You could pull it in with the waist if you do size up, and they're going to be $28. In the last video I did for body types, I suggested this style. It wasn't this one exactly, but one of you guys let me know that it was too short. So if you are a long torso or a little on the taller end and you have an apple body type, or you just don't want to show too much leg, then you might want to skip this one. But I think it is going to be really flattering. It pulls it in here right above the waistline, and then it flows out. They're really soft. They have that V neckline. And then you can throw a cardigan or blazer denim jacket on and really give it that silhouette. So it comes in the lavender, also in this green and white. There's this pink and the black, and they're $12.98. So this style from Madden NYC. So this has that plunging V, smocking in the waist, right above, the waist point. It's flowy. It's nice and lightweight. It's open in the back. If you don't want to show that, but it comes in the pink hibiscus, also this black floral, and they are $16. An hourglass, I like these camis from Time and True. They have that thin strap, the V neckline, the seam detailing under the arm, and then it's a flowier fit when squared in the back. These are great to tuck in. They come in this black and beige. They also have the black. Also saw 2 other prints in maybe a week or 2 ago in the shop with me, and they're $7.98. So like these sleeveless button downs for an hourglass. This has that smaller collar, full button, the one pocket. It is a flowy fit, but again, you want to tuck that in with the seam detailing in the back. Comes in the white, also in the chambray, and they're $15.98. So like these rib tees from Hourglass. So these have a little bit of a higher neckline. They're ribbed, stretchy, they have really good length, and they are more fitted. You might want to size down one. Comes in the green, there's white, beige, navy, black, the teal, pink, lavender, baby blue, and they're $6.98. Also love these bodysuits for an Hourglass. They have the thicker strap, that scoop neckline. They're so soft and stretchy, and they have that same fit through the back. Comes in the white, red. They have the beige and black, and they're $7.98. Love these dresses for an Hourglass. Has the V neckline, which is flattering, the dolman sleeve, an elastic in the waist, and then you can really pull it in. Has a really nice length to it. Comes in this green and blue, also the black and white, and they are $34. This off-the-shoulder dress from Jessica Simpson, and has that elastic, the tier, smocking in the waist to pull it in. Also has the little ruffles at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. I think this one comes in another floral print, and they're $29. It has that higher neckline, sleeveless, ruching on the side. How pretty is this? In the pink, also comes in the black, and they are $14.98. They also have these tank dresses from No Boundaries in that light blue. These have that thicker strap, scoop neckline, that shorter length. Also comes in red. We know it's a big color right now. Black and the beige, and they are $5. Watercolor halter neck dress from Scoop. So this one has that twist detail. It has the keyhole, elastic in the waist, and a pleated skirt. Has the button detail in the back. Paired the shorts that match back to this with the apple. I wouldn't recommend this blazer for an apple body type, but you can definitely do the shorts with an Hourglass, and then also this double-breasted blazer. So it has that smaller collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons. It's lined on the inside. These are $36. It comes in the ivory, and then also in that orchid, and they're $36. Also seeing a new pleated skirt from Scoop. So this one has that side zipper. It's a nice kind of lightweight, flowy fit through the front and the back, and they're $30. Also do capris, and these are from Signature by Levi's. They're mid-rise. They have the whiskering. They're straight through the leg. They are cuffed up, but you can uncuff them. And then it's the same fit through the back. Just a little bit of fading, not too much. Comes in this darker denim, also that lighter mid-tone. And these are $24.98. New white denim from Lace. So these are pull-on. They're high-rise. They're super stretchy and soft. They have the perfect amount of flare at the bottom. They're boot cut though with the pockets in the back. They're $27.98. Recommend these shorts for an Hourglass because they're really comfortable. I have them. They're relaxed fit. They have that elastic waistband with the drawstring. They have the little dolphin hem and then pockets on the back. So it comes in the green. There's pink, black. It's like a charcoal. And then they also have a teal. There's that teal color and they're $12.98. Rectangle body type. I love these shift dresses. So they have that higher neckline. They're sleeveless, straight through, and then it has the little keyhole in the back. Comes in the black, also in the, it's like an orangey red, tomato red, and they're $22. Another good one is going to be this dress from Free Assembly. So it's fitted through the top, and then it gives you that flow in the skirt. It is a little like longer in the torso, or else I would have recommended this for the apple as well if it's the Empire style. But since the torso is longer, I think this is going to work really nicely for a rectangle. It has that flowy skirt. Also comes in the black, and they're $26. Top is also going to be a good option. It has that sweetheart neckline, the puff sleeve, drawstring with the little peplum. There's an eyelet trim. Has that smocking in the back. These are $26. Colors in the sleeveless drawstring tape from Time and True. So this looks like a linen material. It has that higher neckline, the little drawstring in the black and white, also in the navy and white stripe, and the orange and white stripe, and they're $9.98. New smocked peplum top from Time and True. So these have that eyelet flutter sleeve, the V neckline. It's smocked through the bust with the little peplum at the bottom. It's a poplin material. Has that same fit through the back. In the white, also comes in the navy, and they're $13.98. Saw this bodysuit before, but I'm seeing a new print and color. So this one has the scoop neckline, the puff sleeve, seam detailing under the bust with that like Empire style, and then it's the same fit through the back. And these are $13.50. You can also do this dress from Time and True. It has that smaller collar, button into the waist, has that drawstring, the side pocket, 2 flat pockets, dolman sleeve with the seam detailing in the back. Comes in the chambray, also in this camel linen look. There's a stripe and the olive, and they're $17.98. Tank and skirt set from Sofia Vergara. So this has that squared neckline, the flutter sleeve, shorter through the front with the seam detailing. It's smocked in the back with the little peplum. They are going to be $22, and then right next to it is the matching skirt. So it has that elastic waistband. It's a flat front with the side pocket, flowy embroidering, the little palm trees in the purple, and then that same fit through the back, and they are $24. Rectangle also looks really good with a pattern bottom. So these are from Time and True. They have that smocked waistband, the side pocket. They're flowy through the leg, and they'll be linked down below. They also come in this white stripe. And another pair of pattern bottoms. These are from Time and True. So they have that elastic waistband. They're nice and flowy. They have the drawstring with the side pocket. So it comes in this palm print. They also come in the solid black. There's this black and white, the chambray, and then the white stripe, and they're $12.98. Back to pull-on shorts from No Boundaries. So these have that elastic waistband, the drawstring, they're flowy with the lace trim. They have this new stripe print. We saw the gray with the ivory crochet last year. They also have black, and they're $7.98. This fit and flare dress is going to work really nicely for an inverted triangle. So this one has the thicker strap, the squared neckline, seam detailing, and it flows out. Has that same kind of fit through the back. You also have that smocking. Comes in the white, there's red. I'm pretty sure there's also one other color, I think black. and they're $36. New twist tank from Time and True. So these are super soft, sleeveless, stretchy. They have that V neckline, the little twist in the green, also in teal, and they're $9.98. I shared this one in my last haul. I picked this up in, I think I got this small, but it has that little crisscross, fitted through the body, really nice stretchy kind of t-shirt material. Same fit through the back. Comes in this navy and white stripe. There's also the solid navy. I also saw online they have some other solid colors. I know there's red and then maybe one other one, but they're only $12. Really good piece to style. I could dress it up or down. New square neck tees from Madden NYC. So these have that squared neckline, the cap sleeve. It's shorter through the front and the back. In the white, also comes in black. And these are going to be $10. And then I'm also seeing a new front pocket short from Free Assembly or another color. So these are high rise. They have the two front pockets, the thicker band, and pockets in the back. In the ivory also comes in the dark indigo. And they're going to be $18. New cargo pants from Jessica Simpson. These are a high rise. They have the double button side pocket with the flat pocket. This little buckle detail on the ankle, so you can make them like more jogger style or straight leg. Comes in the olive, also in this ivory, and they are $32.50. New pull-on linen style pant from Free Assembly. These have that elastic waistband with the drawstring side pocket, flat pocket through the leg, that seam going down, and then the back has no pockets. They are $26. Cutout dresses from Madden NYC. These have that higher neckline. It's sleeveless, this little cutout. It's a flowy skirt. Oh, it's a romper. So it does have the built-in shorts. And then it's that same fit through the back with the keyhole. And there's a fabric covered button. In the black and beige palm, also comes in the green palm with a little bit of blue. What they look like on, and they are $18. I really love these pants. I have them for the haul, so I'll make sure if you're interested in these you check out Saturday's haul. But they're from Free Assembly. They're a high rise. Another huge trend, the high rise trousers, like just elevate any look. They have that pleated detailing, the side pocket. I did get my usual size 6 in them, and I feel like they're a little on the bigger end. So if you're in between sizes, I would size down. They also come in black, and they're going to be $26. You also have the other print and color in this tiered skirt from No Boundary. So I showed this black floral before. Now I'm seeing in the white and blue. It has that smocked waistband, tiers, nice and flowy. I got my usual size medium. And I would say true to size, but it is that material. It looks like it shrinks. So if you want that length, then I would size up. They're $9.98. Utility style is also still on trend for summer. So these shorts are from Free Assembly. They have that high rise with the elastic waistband, drawstring. These have that linen look, which is another trend, with the flat pockets. It's going to give you that utility style. It comes in this print or style, and then they also come in a denim. They're going to be $22. Knee-length shorts also work well on a inverted triangle body type. So these are a 10-inch inseam. They have the whiskering. They're straight through the leg with the little cuff. Has some fading through the back. Comes in the dark indigo. They also have this mid-tone. That's what that color looks like. And they're going to be $16.99. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.